we say innovate, collaborate, educate, participate. That is Georgia AIM. So artificial intelligence permeates through everything. Many people think that artificial intelligence is just about the robots, but it's not. It's everywhere at this point. It's about us being connected through our cities, through our cars, through our homes. And so we want to demystify what it is. We want to show that there is room for everybody, whether you have a college degree or not, no matter where you live, whether you're in a rural community or urban community. We want to be able to show that there is a place for you in the artificial intelligence world, particularly as it relates to manufacturing. We want to make sure that our workforce and our Georgians are competitive in this new environment.
Middle Georgia is delighted to be working with Georgia AIM and partnering. We are building out our AI and manufacturing coalition across our communities, and we have always wanted an opportunity to partner in with the Metro Atlanta area and show ways that we can collaborate. We have several universities within our area, and this is an excellent opportunity to bring in Georgia Tech and their expertise and expose our manufacturers to manufacturing of tomorrow.
We're building a mobile lab that will go around the state of Georgia and teach about advanced manufacturing, specifically about artificial intelligence and machine learning. UGA, these are our partners specifically for strategy and understanding how to support the technology. So they run an advanced manufacturing lab and have an entire department full of engineers and students who do this every day. And so they're really supporting us from project planning to execution to also recording and analyzing the data.
For us, it's fundamental to work in the tools for the next generation to engage with artificial intelligence in manufacturing, and also using our own students to develop those solutions. So I think there's a overall engagement between the technology and the entrepreneurship side, because we are not only trying to show the technology, but we want to engage and activate the communities to work in this domain.
So we're really, really excited. This is a new day, a new way. It is an opportunity for many of us to just really do something different to drive the economy, not only in Georgia, but across the United States.